everybody, it's Mr. Buro from Staten Tech. I'm going to quickly show you the trim and extend project. This is a very simple project that really is just considered an exercise, and it comes with 2 files. You will not be using any drawing files from scratch, just the drawing file that I give you as well as the PDF file as a guide. When you open up the drawing file inside AutoCAD, you will be immediately taken to the layout view. In the layout view, you should not be doing the work. Simply change your name over here and enter your period and seat number. If you don't have a seat number, then just your period number is fine. Go down to the model space, you'll see the same drawing here. There's a floor plan to the right that is incorrect. There is a box pattern on the left that is also incomplete. And on the bottom, there's a set of lines that is incomplete as well. So an incorrect floor plan and a simple pattern of lines on the bottom, and a somewhat complex tile pattern that will appear over here on the left that looks like boxes right now. If you open up the PDF file, I suggest you keep it open while you're working, or keep it open on an iPad or something like that, possibly some second screen, and you'll be able to see what the file should look like when it's done. You can see on the bottom where the lines are, the lines have been extended to kind of be staggered and stop looking like steps of some sort. That's simple. For the floor plan, there are some extra lines that have been cut out that were walls that were blocking parts of the hallway, and there are lines that have been cut out inside the walls to show like a continuous flow within the walls themselves. So make sure your floor plan looks exactly as this one appears, as well as the line part on the bottom. On the left, where you see the tile pattern, there can be a lot of opportunities for mistakes here, but really if you do pay attention and kind of go at things one row at a time, I believe you will not have a problem recreating the pattern. And that's it. All you have to do is perform the expected cuts and extensions, and then go ahead and do the layout view to save your work with your name. And again, you'll be submitting a printout as well as the DWG file. Thank you very much.